playa time. Yeah, so heading down to the beach. Haven't been to the beach maybe just once for an hour last week, and it rained. Been pretty busy down on this side of Playa del Carmen. It's not very busy, it's kind of quiet. I kind of like it, and I've been pretty busy day trading and momentum trading, S&P 500 futures and oil futures, and futures open for trading 23 hours, 24 hours. So it's Sunday, 4 p.m. Central, and their futures open at 5 p.m. Central time. So I have about an hour of beach time, and then I'm gonna run over to the hotel and get on a laptop and trade for the weekend. So the beach is gonna be pretty busy. So if I can find a quieter part of the beach. Day. It's pretty hot. It's kind of a little bit early, but a little bit of sun. Some futures trading, day trading, momentum trading, pattern trading, whatever you want to call it. Futures open 5 p.m. Eastern time, Sunday. They trade for 23 hours a day. Modelo, one of my favorite lagers. So yeah, coming off the beach. I don't know if you can see my phone, 5 p.m. Central time. Futures just open for trading. Yeah, we're down about 3 cents on the laptop and do some trading. I'm hoping for some volatility on the open. I don't think there's any major news over the weekend. No geopolitical news out of OPEC or the war. Take a quick shower, rinse off. I got the laptop going and come right back. Yeah, so I actually said I was trading oil. Right now I'm trading, oil is my favorite futures to trade. Right now I'm trading the ES, which is the S&P futures. And we have 1, 2, 3. We're starting on a four green candles. Don't like to chase, but I kind of want to take an open position just because I'm bored. It's Sunday. We're not supposed to do that, but I definitely want to take a position. So I'm going to go over to Street Smart Central. I'm trading out of Charles Schwab. Let's take a look at my order statuses for past 2 days. So I'm just gonna pop this in, take a market buy, one buy market, and we're at 409, 409.50. You know what, let's do a limit. So the cost or the leverage is about $1,200-1,300, and to trade is $2.62 to buy and $2.62. So now I'm just gonna watch it. I'm trading the 9 EMA. So that yellow dashed line is the 9 EMA. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it. Here we go. Chasing an order is probably not good, but it is moving. Actually, let me leave it. Looks like it's going to execute. This is when you're really supposed to enter. It's when you have the red. I'm going to switch that. I'm going to bring that back down to 408. When you're supposed to enter this trade is when you have the pullback. There's the pullback, the red candle. There's oil on the open, coming way down. Check out the ES, the S&P 500. It's actually running. I'm going to change and modify that. You're not supposed to chase it. You're supposed to wait for a pullback. I wanted to take a position at 4309. And here we go, 4310. I've been chasing it 09, 08. Now I've got it at 10. Yeah, so this is a micro. It's a 10th of the mini. This is what they call a micro. So yeah, oil is down 11 cents. And so far, the S&P 500 up 6 points. There's the MACD. Doesn't look like I'll get my order filled. If it comes back down here, 4310, then I'm filled. Oh, a quarter point away. So yeah, so I'm trading the 9 EMA, which is the dashed yellow line, and I'm trading the MACD. And so far it's the 5-minute chart. So yeah, so I'm watching the 9 EMA on a 5-minute, MACD, and the volume. So we have four big green volume, and the volume compared to, sorry, here's the volume. That's the MACD. The volume's kind of low, very low actually. Yeah, less than 1,000 shares being traded every 5 minutes. How does that compare to Friday? That is the AM hours. I'm gonna have to go back all the way to here. Yeah, same thing, very low volume, less than 1,000, couple hundred. PM, Hong Kong, Japan, Asia, Australia opens, and I'm looking for 8 p.m. 8:30 p.m. Central Time. I'm looking for some action, some more volatility. But right now, it looks like I'm chasing this thing. So 43.11, I've got an order for 43.10. Doesn't look like it's going to fill. I moved my order down from, here it is. Where's my cancel? Oh, I don't have the cancels. So I moved it to, added a 43.10, which would have executed the 43.10. It would have executed. I moved it down to 43.0950, which is the line, the EMA line. And so it didn't execute and just missed it. But let's see if I can get. So yeah, I have a very simple setup. It's just a laptop, and I love trading from bed, so I just don't want to be hunched over for so many hours on a desk. And I have software to publish this with me in the corner here with the camera from the laptop, so I will turn that on very, very soon. But this is very infant stages of my 9 EMA MACD momentum trading, so there's no momentum right now. There's no volume. But it's Sunday, I'm bored. I'm in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. I'm having an empanada and I'm trading. I just came from the beach. So Schwab bought Ameritrade and Thinkorswim is Ameritrade. I moved my money. I think I got like $50. I moved the cash over to the Ameritrade has a micro oil to trade with a small account, because I'm only trading with a couple $1,000s. There's the micro oil, MCL. Schwab doesn't. Schwab's got the micro ES, which I'm trading right now. Here's Schwab. There's the MES right here, MES. But there's no micro oil, and TD has it. I don't have the cash in there, so I'm relegated to trade the micro ES. And actually, there's a lot that's going to go on Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday, we're going to have CPI, PPI, and then Wednesday, we're going to have the Federal Reserve rate increase or decrease or pause. Most likely not a decrease, a raise or a pause. So there's going to be a lot of volatility in the ES, in the micro ES. So it's okay for now. And then once the account value grows, then maybe I'll be able to trade. Or actually, what I'll do is I'll move some of the money back out of Schwab back into TD, Ameritrade, and then I could trade the micro there. Because the micro, right now, if I buy a single, this is 2, let me add it, it's $1,085. So $1,100, I could be under $1,100, I could have a micro oil. And right now, on Schwab, I also have, not here on this is the futures screen, on the ETF and stock, I have UCO. I do have a short from last week on UCO, which is a double levered ETF oil. So I am in it, invested. I'm looking for this to fill. I just missed it here at 43.0950. It didn't fill. I would love to get this order filled. I might just change this again. Let me modify it to 75. I just want to be in this. Been 48 minutes and I'm not trading, and I really wanted to take a position. I didn't want to leave the beach. It was so good. 5 p.m. at the beach is just fantastic. So I could watch the open. I probably would have gotten in on that second. So the EMA that I'm trading, I probably would have gotten in here on confirmation, third close, third candle, 43.08, 43.0850. Pop back down here. I've got my order at 43.0950, 43.0975. Okay, I'm ending up chasing this thing. All indicators look great. The actual time that I should have just gotten in was that second red candle on the close, which was 43.1075, and it would have been with a stop below the 9 EMA, which would have been 43.9, actually 43.875, or even 43.9. So that would have executed, because that was confirmation with the third red candle that did not close and break below the 9 EMA, and then boom, here you see it. So now I'm relegated to chasing this thing. So my execution has not been very good. So instead of putting in that market order at 43.10 or at that close 43.1075, I'm now open order buy at 43.1250, and you see we're at 13.25. So here we go. Let's see what happens. I might just, just drop a market order in here. Or actually, you know what? Let me move this up to 43.13 just to be in it for my first order of the week of the day. So here we go, 43.13, $2.62 the trade, and you see I'm going to execute right now. No, we're still open. Chasing, just missed it. So I'm in there 43.13. So let's see if that gets in. So it's such a thin trade, even though it says 43.13. Here's the ask. The ask, oops, that's my knee. The ask is 43. Oh, I'm in. Okay, so that means I'm in. Here we go. All right, so I'm in. I got filled. Let me refresh. Okay, here we go. I'm in. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Now the next step is to put in a stop. Let me grab one of these stops. Here's a stop. And that stop is for 2 shares. I'm gonna move that down to 1 share. That stop is a buy. I'm gonna do a sell. And I'm gonna put in this stop just above or at the 9 EMA. So 43.11. Yeah, so we're at the 9 EMA. We just pop below it. I'm actually going to put in, okay. So that means that I got sold out. So let's take a look. Order status. So I'm out at 43.11. So that's a 2-point loss. It's $5 per point, so it's $10 loss. And each trade in and out, buy and sell, open and close is $2.62. So I'm down $15.24. That's the most I'll risk. But I'm ready to maybe go in on confirmation here. Although the MACD, although maybe I'll go short because it looks like the MACD is showing right here, showing a crossover. So I might just short on 5 minute, or I may go long. So depending on this candle, I'm either gonna go long or short. And depending on the MACD, the buy or sell indicator, how that crosses over or not, I'm gonna go long or short. Now there's very, very little volume as you see. 2.5 minutes to go on his 5-minute candle. And there's very, very little volume. Let me move we can see the volume, yeah. So we're doing about 300 to 400. We're doing about 300 to 400 shares per 5 minutes. Let's see how this works out. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds left on that candle, on that 5-minute candle. Oil is looking really, really good. As you see, it hasn't even, since the first candle, it hasn't crossed above the 9 EMA. That's looking really, really good. So we are 20 seconds away from that candle being closed, and so I'm gonna go long below the 9 EMA. Just touched it here, but still. So that's the best case scenario on a long, and in the short, the worst case scenario would be this. It would be just going in and out, up and down, above it, below it, and I'm in and out. I'm long and short and getting stopped. We got 3 reds. We got a little mini red there. We got 3 big reds here, and we are moving away. So this is looking good. So let's see what happens. Hey, it's Tony. Thank you for watching my videos. If you could please subscribe, hit the button down below, and also the thumbs up. And that's the like, by the way. And then if you could write me a comment, that would be great. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, where in the world you like me to go and film. And also, if you could click on the bell. The bell notifies you, gives you notification next time I have uploaded a video and something for you new to see. Thank you so much for watching. Aloha.